Welcome back to day 89, finishing strong. Friends, we're on day 89 of the Confidence to Cash sprint. You're in that final stretch. And this is a spot where most people slow down or quit, but not you. You're still here, and that tells me everything that I need to know about who you're becoming. The last few days are the hardest, not because the work is harder, but because the mind starts negotiating with you. You start wondering, have I done enough? Am I really moving fast enough? If I've changed enough? This is where fatigue hits in. And this is where doubt tries to creep in. And this is where that old version of you whispers, you don't have to finish. No one will know. But you will know. And the way that you finish the sprint will set the tone for the next season. You're not just finishing a challenge, my friends. You are closing a chapter. You're stepping into that higher version of you, and you're finishing strong. And finishing strong is not about perfection. It's not about doing more. It's about deciding as a leader of your own life that you follow through on what you start. Finishing is a decision, my friend, not a feeling. So today, I want you to set one simple, meaningful goal for these final 48 hours. Not 10 goals, not the whole list, just one. And ask yourself this: what is one thing that would make me proud to complete before the day 90 ends? Maybe it's finishing a piece of content. Maybe it's showing up one more time for your audience. Maybe it's creating the clarity that you need for your next season. Whatever it is, my friend, choose it and commit to it. You've come way too far to coast now. You've grown too much to shrink back. You've walked through 88 days of mindset, work, habits, confidence, content, and vision. And not to mention, this is not the moment to pull back. This is a moment to rise up. So commit one final 48-hour goal below the video and declare it. Own it. And let me cheer you on and bring this sprint home. Finish strong, my friend. Your future self is already so proud of you. I am so proud of you too. And you are going to be on day 90 tomorrow. I will see you for day 90.